the idea now is to talk about the necessary conditions for a deadlock to occur, and we are talking about four conditions that all must apply in order for a deadlock to occur. One is the mutual exclusion, the second is hold and wait, the third is no preemption, and the fourth is circular wait. Let's now look on each one of them. So the first is mutual exclusion, namely when one resource hold an or one process holds an resource, no other process can use it. So if I have P1 and it's hold a resource, P2 cannot use it until P1 releases it. So at least one resource must be held in a non-shareable mode. The next thing that I must hold is the hold and wait. I mean, you see those two processes. Here are resources. Now each one of them will take it, but each one of them need the other one resource. So a process must be holding at least one resource and waiting to acquire additional resource held by other processes. As you can see here, again, each process holds its resource, but it needs the other one resource, but the other one is held by other process. This is the hold and wait condition. The next one is no preemption, namely, if a process holds a resource, the operating system cannot just take this resource out if it needs it. No, the process must voluntarily release the resource in order for this resource to be released. A resource can be released only voluntarily by the process holding it. So P1 holds this resource, the operating system cannot take it out. No preemption. Circular wait is that there is a set of processes, each one of them holds a resource but wait for the next process resource. A set of waiting processes must exist in a way that each process is waiting for a resource held by another process in a set. So you can see that each one of them holds a process but wait for another process in the set, so it is called a circular wait. So again, we need mutual exclusion, we need hold and wait, we need no preemption, and we need circular wait. All those four conditions are necessary conditions for a deadlock to occur. So if I want to prevent a deadlock, I need at least one of them to not occur. This is the idea of the four necessary conditions for a deadlock. Thank you very much. In operating systems, this is the subject, and that's it.